Hello people from a very sunny Bali. I've been here now since Sunday and today is Wednesday. Still sunny. It's been quite a busy 3 days because when I arrived the first thing I heard was that Wijnand was in the hospital. But today
I've been discharged.
Yes,
But I have to take it easy.
we've been indeed very busy for me, but now we can relax. So we're gonna be here in this hotel for at least another week and a half, just enjoying the pool. By the way, the pool you cannot
Swim.
no, you're not allowed to swim in. You can swim, but you're not allowed to swim.
I can just stand.
Paddle, yeah, you may stand a little bit in the
Cool
water.
off. Just to
Cool off, yeah, and maybe next week you're allowed to swim. So we're just staying at this hotel for a bit. I'll try to film the stuff that we do. Here it's probably not going to be a lot of different things because we need to relax, but just to let everybody know, everything is okay. And
When I'm on the mend, we will have some more action.
having a coconut drink.
Huh? Oh. Drinking the healthy stuff.
Again, doctor's orders.
That was good.
Time for a little swim. Just hope it's not that cold. Let me jump in, poor me. Nice and warm. Bloody hell. And I'm not allowed to do something back because he is he's the patient, so I'm not allowed to do that back. He needs to relax, but my blood pressure is going up. It is dinner time, and what am I eating? Satay, ayam, the originals. And the patient, well, the patient is eating penne carbonara.
Penne carbonara.
Penne carbonara for the patient.
The creamy sauce.
With a creamy sauce. Well, that's the last thing we're tonight gonna do, because after this
Now you've got to be careful that your satay is not getting burnt.
Yeah, I need to be careful. Good night, everybody.